Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you Jaguar 2011 XF model. I'm going to change engine oil and oil filter, and let's get started. We're going to use the 5W20, the filter range, filter, funnel, jack, dead jack, gloves and tool, and also we're going to use wheel chokes. First step will be to remove the bottom panels. This is the top one and this is the bottom one, which seals the engine. Torque screws, and it uses a T30 and also flathead screwdriver. Then 10mm screws. So we're going to remove a whole bunch of screws. These two panels are removed. So after removing those two panels, the bottom portion is exposed. That's the bolt. It needs a 13mm socket. So we're going to crack it open. Once the covers are removed, then we place the jack and then lift it up. Put two dead jacks on the side. Get your drain bucket ready. If it's too tight, get a lever. So as you've seen, it's cranked open. Make sure that you have a bucket ready right underneath when you're opening it. We're going to let the oil drain, and we're going to make sure that we drain it up to the last drop. And now we're going to go under the hood. So from the hood, you pop open the cover. Filter is located right here. Now we're going to use a filter wrench and just crank it open, and that's it. And now we're going to open the filter. We're going to place a rag right next to it so it won't make a mess, and just lift it up, and that's it. So after placing the bolt, clean it up, and now we're going to use the ratchet and tighten the bolt to the spec. So we're going to take out our new filter, O-rings. Use a smaller screwdriver and just lift it up, and that's how you take it out to the old O-ring. Put the new one, lube it, put it back. Pull it out. And you heard that snap. So we're going to put the new filter back in. Once it's nicely hand tight, then we're going to use a ratchet, and we're just going to give a quarter turn. So that's it. As you see, it says a 5W20, and we are using mobile one. We're going to place the funnel. You always check the manual. Before you place the new filter, you add little oil into it. It won't give you any dry run. We're going to open the new one. So as for the manual, it says 7¼ liters. As for doing with the quarts, it's going to be 7.66 quarts. So it's going to, the liter is on this side, the quarts on this side. So we already added, this is a 5 quart and 4.73 liter. So we added 5, now we're going to add 6, 7, and it's going to be 7.66, no more than the half. It's a good idea, place a rag next to it, so if you drip it, it won't mess up your car. Keep checking that how much you added, then keep pouring again. So that's going to give us a 7.66 quart, which is a 7.25 liter. So we are done with the right amount, and now we're going to take the funnel off. We're going to place the cover back. And now we're going to drive it, and then we're going to test the oil level. The last thing, we need to replace the cover back. You press it down, and this is perfect. So that's how it's easy and simple to change engine oil and oil filter on your Jaguar 2011 XF model. If this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.